Hi guys, welcome back to another nail video on my channel. Excuse my nasally voice. I am a little bit under the weather, but I wanted to get on here and do this intro. I'm doing it like a week after I actually filmed this builder gel video, so I already lost one nail. I was not going to redo it for this intro because I'm about to redo my nails anyway, but I do want to thank you guys so much for showing so much love on my nail videos lately. It makes me so happy because when I first started posting nail videos on this channel, they weren't really like well received. I didn't get a lot of viewership or engagement, and lately they have been like the most popular videos, so I am so grateful because I really like doing these nail videos and they're the longest videos for me to make, so it just feels good knowing that you guys actually enjoy them. But anyway, today's going to be all about builder gel nails. I get quite a few comments about builder gel here and there on the comment section in my videos, and if you've been here for a while, you know that I only really do gel extensions on my nails anymore. I did used to do builder gel when I first started learning how to do my own nails like 2 years ago, but then once I learned how to do gel extensions, I never looked back to builder gel or poly gel, which is something else I used to do as well. But today I figured I would do a step-by-step builder gel nail routine, and in this video I'll also talk about kind of the differences between builder gel nails and gel extensions, just like the application process, how long it takes me to do each kind, and a little bit about removal, which I think is important. Although I'm not going to be removing my nails in this video, I'll just talk a little bit about how to remove builder gel. So before we get into it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like nail videos on my channel. Also make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and make sure you check out my nail playlist. If you're new here, I have a ton of nail videos on my channel you can check out after this one, so let's get started. Okay, so here are what the finished product looks like, and then I'm going to do one hand on camera today. Here are my bare nails. I did all my cuticle care off camera, and I'm going to go in first with my pH bonder / dehydrator and primer. These are the ones that I always use even when I do gel extensions. They're from the brand Apres. I'm going to do a quick coat of each on my natural nails, and I do want to give you guys a little update announcement of where you can shop all the products that I use in my nail videos, because I finally created an Amazon storefront. So if you're interested in anything, I have my Amazon storefront linked in the description box. Okay, so to get started on the builder gel nails, I'm going to be using the ASP nail builder gel. I originally had bought this for Sally's like probably 2 years ago now. This is the first one that I've ever used, and I believe it was no more than $10, so it's very affordable. But I'm going to apply a thin layer of this on my natural nails and cure it for 60 seconds before I actually start building the nails. This is the same step that I do when I do gel extensions. I just use the nail extension glue. Okay, so for builder gel nails, you're gonna need some type of nail form in order to actually build the nail, especially if your natural nails are super short. As you guys can see, I have no type of length on my natural nails. So today I'm gonna be using dual forms. I actually got these from a Macart poly gel kit years ago, but this is the only way that I personally know how to do the builder gel nails. I'm also going to be using my gooseneck lamp, which is like a flash cure lamp. This is going to be super helpful, especially with builder gel nails, because you have to hold the dual form on the nail as it's curing. So to get started on the dual forms, I'm going to be putting a layer of the builder gel inside of that dual form. I'm actually putting quite a thick layer because I'm not using any types of nail tips. So this is it, like the builder gel is the nail. The builder gel is the complete full structure of the nail. So it needs to be like a good thickness so that it doesn't break and that it's strong enough to last you however many weeks you want to keep your nails on for. So once I filled the inside of the dual form, I place it on my natural nails and I cure it under the lamp. I hold hold it just for a few seconds, and after a few seconds it should be able to hold on its own. Like it should be cured just enough that you don't have to hold the actual dual form anymore. And then I just keep curing it just for a little bit longer. And then I'm actually going to flip my nail upside down and kind of reinforce the nail tip that I'm trying to create and extend it just a little bit longer. You can't really go too long with builder gel nails this way, I feel like, or else I just think it compromises the integrity of the nail and it leaves you with like weak points because the nail's too long and it doesn't have that good of a structure in my opinion. So whenever I'm doing builder gel nails, I don't do anything like past a medium length, and I would say these are like short medium. They're not even like medium, you know? So once that's done curing, I'm just going to wiggle off the dual form and then it should snap right off, and these are 100% reusable. And then you have your builder gel nail. But with builder gel nails, it's literally all in the name. You have to build these nails up. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna add another layer of the builder gel on top of the nail I just created. I make sure that I'm reinforcing the area between my nail bed and the nail tip because that is going to be the weakest spot of the nail and I don't want it to break off right there. So I'm putting a little bit of extra gel on the sidewalls of that area. So once that's cured, I'm going in with some more builder gel to build the nail even more. And the word I was trying to think of earlier is apex. So the area between my natural nail bed and the tip needs to be strong because that is the apex and the area that has like the highest stress point. So you want to build up that apex so that there's less stress put on the nail and less chance of it breaking. So that is what I'm doing here. I like to put a blob right in the center. To flip my nail upside down to kind of make sure it gets more of a curved apex. I don't want a really flat apex. A curved apex is going to give it more strength and hopefully make my nails last longer. So once I like how the apex is looking, I go ahead and cure that, and that is how I do my builder gel nails. Honestly, to do one nail, it probably took me 5 minutes, and maybe that's just me being slow, but in general it takes way longer to do builder gel nails than gel extensions. So keep that in mind if you're debating on what kind of nails you want to do at home, what is better for you time wise. Builder gel nails are definitely going to take at least 2 times longer than gel extensions. But I'm just going in and repeating that same exact process to the rest of my nails to create a full builder gel nail set. So you guys can watch me work here. I'm literally doing the same exact thing. I'm going to start on my pointer finger and move all the way down the rest of my hands to finish up my builder gel nails. I personally am probably never going to do builder gel nails again just because they are very time consuming, and I also don't do them often. So if I'm not like accustomed to doing a certain types of nail, it always just takes longer. But I really love gel extensions. I feel like they've been the best nail enhancement that I've tried, and I am gonna stick with them until I die. Honestly, I love them. They've been super fast and easy for me to do because I finally got a good routine down. But I just want to show you guys what a builder gel nail routine looks like and what it could possibly look like for you. I also did want to mention that builder gel is a hard gel, whereas the nail extension glue that you use for gel extensions is a soft gel. Even the gel extension tips that I use are soft gel, and with soft gel it could be easily soaked off. So people say that is like a safer, healthier option than filing off the nail extensions, which is something you are going to have to do with builder gel nails. So builder gel nails, you're going to have to file off gel extension nails, you can file them off, but you can definitely soak them off and they come off like butter. I think knowing how to remove whatever kind of nail extension you're going to do at home, whether that's builder gel, gel extension, acrylic, or anything else, polygel, you really want to know beforehand how you're going to remove them so you can properly prepare yourself and you don't end up just like ripping your nails off. It's just really helpful to know what you're getting yourself into when it comes to the removal process, because I feel like that could be the most frustrating part about doing your nails is removing them. And I just want to make sure you guys are removing them properly so you keep your nails nice and healthy. If you are watching this video because you do want to do builder gel nails at home, I do hope it was helpful and I was able to explain everything properly and you're able to understand what I'm saying, or at least understand it visually. But I do want to say builder gel nails are like good quality nails if you build them properly. So that's the tough part. You have to build them properly. And if you do, they are pretty strong, they are pretty sturdy, and they can last you 3-4 weeks, just as long as a gel extension nail would. For me personally, I have been able to keep my builder gel nails on for like 3+ weeks, and they are an easy option to do like a fill-in. I have also done a fill-in with a builder gel nail before and it came out pretty good. I know in my intro I said I only had these nails on for a week and you guys saw that I did lose one of my nails already, but that was just a very tragic and painful accident that could have happened with my gel extensions anyway. So it really wasn't because of the builder gel, it was because I slammed my finger and the nail like popped off. Thank God. Actually, it probably saved my natural nail from like hurting or getting hurt more than it already did. But overall, they are pretty strong, and if you do have the time and patience, this would be a perfect nail to do at home. So now that I'm done with all of the builder gel nails, I just wipe them down with some alcohol first because they are very sticky and it'll just be annoying trying to move forward and work with all the stickiness and everything that will get stuck to them if you don't wipe them. Then I'm just going in with my nail cutter and I'm cutting the tips down to make sure everything is nice and even. I also will file them and shape them up a little bit to give me a more coffin shape and make sure they match as best as I can to the hand that I already did. Another important thing that I like to do when I'm doing builder gel nails is file the underside of the nail because the gel can build up and get a little lumpy. So I like to use this kind of oval shaped cuticle bit to file the underside and make sure I don't have any bulkiness of the builder gel laying underneath my nail. I want my nail to be strong and thick, but I don't want it to be like clumpy and bulky. And I just finish everything off by using a nail buffer to smooth it all out, and then I'm ready to start my nail design. am going to be going in with this nude color. This is one of my favorite nude colors from Gelish. It's called Creme de la Femme. And I'm just going to be putting one coat on all of my nails. I literally only decided to do one coat because these nails were taking me so long. I did not even want to wait a few more minutes to paint a second coat and cure it for another minute. I was like, okay, one coat is good enough. And honestly, it is really good enough. It's so pretty just as it is with one coat. I normally do two, but I thought this looked fine for what it was. So I'm really excited for the actual design, which is a really simple chrome French tip, but I have this silver chrome paint that makes doing chrome nails extremely easy. I don't know if you've ever tried doing the chrome powder, but I literally cannot. It is so messy. I feel like it never comes out the way that I want it to look, and it's just too many steps because with the regular chrome powder, you have to paint usually like a black color polish of whatever design you want to do, and then you cure that, I believe, first, and then you put the powder on top. So it's just like an extra step that I'm avoiding here now that I bought this chrome paint off of Amazon. So this will be linked on my Amazon storefront as well. If I didn't have this chrome paint and I wanted to do the chrome nails, I guarantee it would have took me like 10 extra more minutes and probably wouldn't have looked as good as I wanted it to look. So I'm really happy that I purchased this. It's probably one of my favorite nail purchases in a while, but that's all I did for my nail design. And also an easy way to create French tips is by doing the curved T method is what I call it. So I create a line down the center of the nail and I make this line as high as I want the French tip to be on my nail. Usually I like to make it as high as my natural nail bed. And then I start from each corner of the nail, like the sidewalls, and I connect the sidewall to the center line, and then I just fill it in. And it's literally so simple. I find that this is the easiest way for me to do French tips, super quick and easy, and they came out mostly even, but definitely better than if I would have done it a different way. So yeah, that's all I ended up doing for my nail design. I didn't want to add anything extra because these honestly took forever and I was kind of over it, but I think they came out super cute. I think chrome is still a very trendy nail art style right now. You could do so many different things with the chrome, and I definitely suggest that you buy the chrome paints versus the chrome powder to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so once I cured the chrome tips, I'm going in with my top coat and I'm using the non-wipe top coat from Apres. I wipe off any excess polish that got on my skin or around my cuticle area, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. And lastly, I'm going in with some cuticle oil to rehydrate my cuticles, and that is pretty much the end of this video. Here are the final result of my builder gel nails. They came out really cute. I don't know if they were worth the time that it took me. I would say it probably took me almost 4 hours to do these nails, which is super long compared to the amount of time it takes me to do gel extensions, but I just haven't done builder gel nails in a long time, and the process itself is just so much longer. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely leave a comment down below if there's anything that I didn't mention or any questions you have about builder gel that you would like me to answer. I can answer in the comment section. And if you did enjoy this video and you don't know what else to comment, you can always just leave a little white heart emoji letting me know that you enjoyed the video. And thank you guys once again so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.